What is 4 multiplied with 3? We know the answer is 12. What is 8 divided by 2? That is 4. But what is negative 4 multiplied with 3? Or what is 8 divided by negative 2? Confused? Don't be. As these are multiplication and division of integers, and today we're learning how to multiply and divide integers. The good news is, the rules for multiplying and dividing integers are exactly the same in terms of signs. Remember that when multiplying or dividing integers, completely ignore the signs. Just multiply or divide the numbers like you normally would, then decide what would be the sign in the answer. This is the most important part. To tackle this easily, use this one rule for both multiplication and division. In multiplication or division, if both integers have same signs, both positive or both negative, the result will always be positive. If both integers have different signs, first positive and second negative, or vice versa, the result will always be negative. Using these two rules, let's answer the following questions. Negative 7 multiplied with positive 3. Multiply 7 with 3, we get 21. As both have different signs, the result is negative. So the answer is negative 21. Positive 5 multiplied with positive 2. Multiply 5 with 2, the result is 10. As both have same signs, the result is positive. So positive 10, writing simply 10 is same as writing positive 10. Positive 4 multiplied with negative 9. Multiply 4 with 9, we get 36. As both integers have different signs, the result is negative. So negative 36. Negative 6 multiplied with negative 3. First, multiply 6 with 3. That would be 18. As the signs are same, the result is positive. So the answer is positive 18. Negative 14 divided by positive 7. Divide 14 by 7, we get 2. As both have different signs, the result is negative. So the answer is negative 2. Positive 20 divided by positive 4. Divide 20 by 4, the result is 5. As both have same signs, the result is positive. So positive 5. Positive 45 divided by negative 9. Divide 45 by 9, we get 5. As both integers have different signs, the result is negative. So, negative 5. Negative 80 divided by negative 10. First, divide 80 by 10. That would be 8. As the signs are same, the result is positive. So the answer is positive 8. By keeping the rule in mind, see how easy multiplying and dividing integers is? Remember that same rule applies for any number, whether it is an integer or not. As you learned the rule, answer the following question. Pause the video, work out the answer, and write in the comments. In the next video, we will be learning how to add or subtract integers. I'll see you then.